Backups of your Google Workspace documents are essential for protecting your organization and customers' data. But with conventional export backups used by many backup solutions, restoring Google files can lead to unexpected issues, broken layouts, missing features, and disrupted workflows. While your data may be recovered, the functionality you rely on is seriously compromised. With conventional export backups, it's not just your document integrity that's at risk, but also the efficiency of your entire operation. So, how do you ensure that your Google Workspace documents look and work just like the original version? That's where Ahsay's lossless backup comes in. To learn more, let's go to my screen and get started. With many backup solutions, your Google document backups become something else once restored. Google Sheets, layout lost. Smart chips like checkboxes become true or false. Google Forms, exported into zip files. No quick edits, no easy restores. Google Docs, smart chips let drop-down menus, calendar events, dates, and even link people or files flatten into plain or hyperlinked text. Google Drawings, turned into a static image in SVG format. The live format, gone. This might not seem like a big deal until you need to restore and use those documents immediately. Formatting is distorted, smart integrations are broken, and the seamless interactivity your team relies on is lost. With so many backup solutions available, your Google documents may seem securely backed up. What you get back is often a shell of what once was and broken in function. Now, imagine the opposite scenario, where your Google Workspace document is backed up exactly as it was created. Every format, every layout, every feature, preserved. Google Slides, no changes. Google Sheets, table layout, perfect. Checkbox columns, fully intact. Google Docs, smart chips remain live and interactive. Google Forms, restored as actual Google Forms. No zipping, no converting. Google Drawings, no longer static image, still editable and collaborative. This is the power of Ahsay's lossless backup, a method that preserves not just your data, but your productivity, structure, and workflow. No need to rebuild, no time wasted fixing converted files. Just click restore and get back to work. One saves a copy, the other saves your workflow. Choose lossless backup. Choose Ahsay. Your data is safe with us. If you want to learn how to secure your business and personal data, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Ahsay backup tips and insights.